All right, chances are that you're probably doing at least three of these tasks manually right now. So let's fix that today. When I first started my business, I thought I had to do everything myself. I wore every hat: designer, customer service, bookkeeper, client wrangler, scheduler, you name it, I was doing it. And I spent my days designing and my nights catching up on contracts, invoices, writing emails from scratch for the 10th time in a row that week, the same words again. And I felt like I was drowning in admin when all I really wanted to do was create. I had heard about automation, but it felt complicated or expensive or like something that bigger businesses used, like it wasn't a good fit for me. Then one day I broke and I signed up for a contract and invoicing system out of sheer desperation. And it changed my business. Suddenly, clients could book and sign and pay online without me needing to manually send anything or take a check physically to the bank to deposit it. I felt like I had a virtual assistant working behind the scenes while I finally got to breathe or take a nap or have dinner with my husband. So if you're stuck in the manual loop, here's what I wished that someone had told me. You don't need to do it all, and you don't have to figure it all out alone. So let's go through 7 simple things that you can automate today without breaking your systems or your spirit. First up is social media scheduling. If you're still manually posting content every day or scheduling it in the native Instagram and TikTok apps, it's time to start batching. Try dedicating a few hours weekly to create and schedule your content weeks in advance. Later is our go-to for Instagram and Facebook, and Tailwind is unbeatable for Pinterest. This is going to help you stay consistent online without being glued to your phone 24/7. Schedule those posts in advance so you have the energy for spontaneous moments like behind the scenes stories or real-time engagement with your audience. Second thing that you should be automating, if you haven't done this yet, is your invoice and payment follow-ups. If you're tired of chasing payments and bothering clients with reminders to pay those overdue invoices, use a platform like Dubsado or HoneyBook to automate the systems. You can set recurring invoices and auto billing for retainers or payment plans, and then send confirmation emails that feel personal and let somebody know that that payment has been received. You can also gently remind them to make that payment. And try adding a thank you email with the next steps after somebody books to keep your process friendly and on brand. Third thing you can automate is your sales systems. So try turning your mailing list, if you have one, if you don't have one yet, you need one, into a sales machine. Create a free piece of content and then use a platform like Kit or Flodesk to deliver it. You can even add it to a pop-up with a tool like BDOW and then connect that back to your mailing list platform of choice. This is going to help you to build up future work or future sales 24 hours a day without needing to be online all the time. Fourth thing that you can automate is appointment scheduling. Instead of going back and forth over email, trying to figure out your calendar and someone else's calendar, use a tool like Calendly, Acuity, or HoneyBook Scheduler. You can set your availability and set buffers between meetings and allow clients to self-book. It's going to save you a ton of back and forth emails to get things scheduled. Most of these tools also integrate with Zoom and will send auto reminders so that you can avoid the no-shows. Fifth thing that you can automate is your client onboarding process. So when a client signs the contract and pays their initial fee, you can start onboarding someone automatically. A lot of systems like Dubsado, HoneyBook will let you set up a welcome email with details about what to expect. You can give them access to a client portal or maybe even initial forms that you need to have them fill out. You can automate having them book a call with you if you start all projects with a kickoff call. You can give them links to resources and the next steps. Tools like HoneyBook, Dubsado, 17 Hats help you build these systems into your workflows that wow your clients from day one. Next thing you can automate are analytics and reporting. You can use Google Analytics to send you reports about your traffic and what keywords are driving traffic to your site weekly. A lot of other list building tools and social scheduling tools also have all of these insights built in. And these are going to help you make better decisions with the data about what kinds of content to create, what is working, what is not working. So no more guessing, just smart, simple metrics that you can actually use. You can also automate all of your welcome emails every time somebody subscribes to your mailing list. So set the tone early with welcome automated messages. Share details about who you are, what someone can expect when they're on your list. You can even direct them to your best content or put an initial offer in front of them when they're the warmest they're ever going to be. Most email list platforms that are quality and reputable have all of these automation tools built in. And a lot of them even have templates that you can start with so that you don't have to figure out the timing and the tagging and all of the things from scratch. We do this with Kit, but Flodesk also does a great job as well. Automation doesn't have to mean less of you. It can mean more space for the parts of life that matter the most. The creativity, the dinner with your kids, the big ideas that move your business forward. So start small, pick one automation, try it for 30 days, and then add in the next and see how it gives you more time and freedom. One by one, you'll reclaim your time and start building a business that feels as good as it looks. If you want to see exactly which tools that we use with all the links, I'm going to include a link to the blog post version of this video below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so that you don't miss a future episode that we release. Thanks, guys.